Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and I'm going to be doing a acrylic pour today using my Bloom paints. I've got my spinner out and I'm going to use the British Paints Walls Interior paint for my base and then add some colour and do some swiping and just have a play. Let's get started. So these paints I've got here are leftover paints. There'll be a mixture of Amsterdam paints, some Deco Art paints mixed in there, and some Montmartre, I would say. And they are mixed with Taubman's Sunproof exterior paint. Okay, I'm just putting my pillow down. Oops, maybe a bit much. And I'm just going to tilt that out a little bit. Okay, what I think I want to do, squaring that off a little bit. What I think I want to do is have a swipe going through the middle and some negative space. A little bit of negative space on the top. So I'm going to do a black swipe using my oxide black, and I want a lot of colour. I've got other swiping tools if I want to create a bit of extra interest. So let's pour. You know what? I'm just going to try something here. I'm gonna pour my paints on here. And let's just try laying this through the middle. Just gonna scoop up these little bits. Got a pop of yellow here that I might just add in as well. Put it over that white there. Alright, I think this is going to be pretty dark. So let's just put a bit of gold back here. Blue. And a little bit of green. Alright, I'm going to swipe that. And I'm going to use quite a big palette knife. But I don't have to go all the way back. So just spreading that. Here we go. picked up a bit of white there. See what we have there. It's a lot of black. I'm going to see if I can scoop this. That's probably going to come off. Let me get my torch. So I've got too much black here. I'm trying to think about how I can get to it. I might just have to dig in. That's nice. I think I'm going to give it a spin. It's going to be quite wide here, and it's going to narrow out there. Alright, let's spin it. I don't have much gold in there. Just going to add a little bit of white down here. And I'll pick a bit up of white here for this corner. I actually think this is going to turn out quite well. Let's just get these out of the way. All right. That's gorgeous. A little bit more. That's pretty. I like that. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result, and this is the angle that I was looking at it from. The cells are beautiful. There's just a subtle difference in the colours there. And you know, I lost a lot of the gold. There's a little bit of the bright green, and I think that's going to have a bit of a shimmer and sparkle. But yeah, I actually like it. The sides turned out pretty good. So I will bring you back when this is dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And I just love this blend through here. Let's have a little look at the shine. There's shine through this bit, which is what I suspected. A little bit of glistening. But this is my favourite bit through there. That lacing is just gorgeous. I've got a little wisp of colour up there. I don't know where that came from, but I like it. Now, overall, actually, I'll just show you the other way. Overall, this part bothers me. I love this part. So, you know, every time I do one, I work out what I like and what I don't like, and then I can improve on it and bring more of what I like into my pieces and less of what I dislike. So yeah, very good experiment. I'll definitely be trying that kind of thing again. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.